Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here we are going to see the multiple vacancies, that is nearly 400 plus vacancies are there in the Bharat Electronics Limited, okay, that we are going to see right now. And before going into the details and all, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and share this information to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. Okay, so the project engineer 1, electronics 80 posts, mechanical 24, computer science 6, electrical 6, civil 2, total 118 posts are there. And the qualification required is a BE, BTech or BSc engineering degree in relevant discipline from the university or college with first class for general or OBC or EWS candidates, and pass class for the SC, ST and PWD candidates. And here the post experience also required. The minimum post qualification is minimum 2 years of relevant industrial post qualification experience, and upper age limit 28 years. And here the reservation is also given here. Based upon the reservation, how many seats are allocated based upon the caste category out of this 118 posts are mentioned here. And the consolidated remuneration per month is also mentioned. First year 35,000, second year 40, and third year 45,000 per month, and fourth year 50,000 rupees per month. And next, coming to the project officer IAR1 human resource, here the 5 posts are there. Qualification required is 2 years in MBA or MSW in HR or PG degree or PG diploma in human resource management or personal management or industrial relations from reputed university or institute or college with first class for the general category, and the pass class for the SC, ST or PWD candidates. And the post qualification is the same as to the project engineer, and the salary is also same. And coming to the trainee engineer 1, electronics 254, mechanical 134, computer science 11 and electrical 10, civil 2, environmental engineering 1, architecture 1 and chemical 2, total 418 posts are there. And the qualification required for this one is a BE, BTech or BSc or Bachelor of Architecture engineering degree in the relevant discipline, and minimum 6 months of relevant industrial post qualification experience with upper age limit 25 years. And the reservation, based upon the reservation, the number of seats, the number of vacants are given here. And here the consolidated remuneration per month is also mentioned. And coming to the trainee officer finance 1, total 8 number of posts are there, and the 2 years MBA in finance from reputed university. And so while coming to the terms of engagement and allowances, so here you can check down that 418 post here and the 8 post here. Okay, so it is. And coming to the project engineer, here 118 and here the 5 posts are there. So it is a huge vacancy, guys. The candidates who are having the undergraduation with the relevant experience, or else while coming to the finance, the MBA graduation with relevant experience, so you can apply. Coming to the terms of condition, engagement and allowance, for project engineer and project officer 1 will be engaged for an initial period of 2 years, which may be extended up to maximum of 4 years. And the consolidated pay 35,000 rupees per month for the first year, and as per the mentioned in the table, for the trainee engineer 1 and trainee officer 1 will be engaged for an initial period of 1 year and may be extended up to the 3 years. And the upper age limit also mentioned there in the table. And education qualification, project engineer 1, this one also mentioned in the table.
And coming to the subject and discipline is mentioned here, so you may check down. And coming to the post qualification is also given here, so this one also mentioned in the table. And the selection procedure, candidates should meet the eligibility criteria as specified in the advertisement. Candidates who meet the eligible criteria with respect to the relevant qualification, post qualification experience will be allotted weightage as follows. So the relevant weightage is also mentioned here, so you may check down. And interview for the shortlisted candidates 15%. You need not to write any written test guys here, directly you will be called for the interview if you are shortlisted, and the online interview will be happen. So intimation on conducting video based interviews will be sent to the email IDs provided by the candidates. So these are all the details guys. So for your and coming to the application fee, 200 rupees for the trainee engineer and the trainee officer 1, and 500 rupees for the project engineer and project officer 1. And exemption of fees provided to the candidates for the SC, ST and the PWD categories. And the last date for submitting of the online application form is 25th November 2020. So these are the detailed information guys. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys.
Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys, okay? And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans guys, that means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens.
But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.